Hey guys, good morning. So welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So in this video, we explain understanding quantum physics for beginners. Okay, let's get started. Quantum physics, also known as quantum magnetics, is a fascinating and complex branch of science that deal with the behavior of matter and energy at very small scales such as atoms and subatomic particles. While it can be changing to gracefully, especially for beginners, here is a simplified overview of some key concepts and ideas to keep you get started. Okay guys, so the next is quantized quantization. Okay. Quantum physics introductions, the idea of quantization, which means that curtail physically properties like energy levels or angular movements are restraints to specific discrete values rather than continuous ones. This is this is contrasts to classical physical where properties are continuous. So the next is where particle dualities. So one of the most famous concepts in quantum physics in the wave particle duality, it suggests that particle like electron and photons can exhibit both wave minus like the practical like behavior depending on how they are observed or measured. This like and practical like behavior depending on how they are observed or measured. This like and practical like behavior depending on how they are observed and measured. Just a moment. This duality changes over classic instructions where objects are entire practical practice or waves. Now the next point is superposition. According to quantum physics, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This is called superposition. For example, an electron can be in a superposition of different energy levels at the same time unit. It is observed or measured. Okay, the next is uncertainty principle. Okay, proposed by Werner Heisenberg, the uncertainty principle states that it's impossible to simultaneously know both the species position and momentum of practical while observe curtain the more actually you measure one of these properties and less actually you can know the other. Okay, so the next is quantum entanglement. interglazement. Okay, this is a phone woman where two or more products become correlated in such a way that the state of one product is instantly influencing the state of the other on matter how far apart they are. This concept is famously described as spooky action at a distance. Quantum state. In quantum machines, the state of a particle is described by a mathematical function called a wave function or quantum state. This wave function contains all the information about the particle possible state and probabilities. Okay, observe and measure. The act of measure a quantum system can collapse its wave function, forecasting it into one of its possible state. This is often referred to as the observed fact, and it highest the role of constants and measurement in quantum machines. Okay, the next is quantum machine equation. Quantum physics is described mathematically by equation like okay, the next is quantum machine equation. Okay, just I repeat this. Quantum physics is described mathematically by equation like Schrödinger's equation and the Dirac equation. These equations provide a framework from calculating and predicting the behavior of quantum system. Okay, the next is quantum applications. Just a moment, please. Okay, quantum applications. Quantum physics has practical applications in various fields, include quantum computing, quantum cryptographs, and quantum teleportation. These applications has the potential to revolution technology in the future. Okay, ongoing research. Quantum physics is a continuously evolving field which with ongoing resourcing and discovering new experiment and thus continues to depending over understanding of the quantum world. Okay, now the last is to truly understanding quantum physics. It often requires a strong foundation in mathematics and a willingness graphics to grapple with abstract concepts. However, there are many industry books, online courses, and educational resources available that can help you delve deeper into his fascinating area of science at your own pace. So guys, that's the today's video. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. And you can see my channel old video. He is very best and informative videos. So bye bye as you wish.